Keep it going if you're going to do it, Luke. Keep it going if you're going to do that. Don't back up. Don't give ground. If you're going to do that, keep it going. Now he's timing you. He's timing you to counter, Luke. So what are you going to do? He's going to keep that same pattern. He's going to hit you. You guys. I just sit there and told you, Luke. What the hell was that? Yes. You know the counter's coming, so see if you can do something with it. You know it's coming. You know it's coming. You know it's coming. Get close. Yeah, you see? Close, he can't. Oh yeah, get in there close. Get in there close. Get close to him, Luke. Absorb some of that. So there we go. Push. Not push, but you know what I'm saying. There we go. Ah, closer. Ah. Ooh. It's a good body shot there. Give something back. You felt that. Give it back. You got a right hand, don't you? Down and up and down. Mix it up. What are you waiting on? He's waiting on you, Luke. Go to him. Go to him, son. Go to him. He's waiting. He's going to do it. Ah. Got. Yeah. Switch. Switch. Ah. Every time. Switch. Ah. What are you waiting on? It's about 10 seconds, Luke. Get close, he can't hurt you, he can't hold you. Just lay on him and dance if you get close. When you get close, just lay.